Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi uyaphila-ke. Mina ngizokucela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke ungabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke. Cindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, umahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje silo sikufakela zona-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke ukuthi ungaphuthi lezi ndaba-ke ongakwenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabucindezela-ke ibhathini usubscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba engikulethele lona-ke namhlanje-ke laphana-ke lithi-ke u-MK-ke laphana-ke waduma-ke ngokuyikhankasela-ke laphana-ke uMr Khomo-ke lapha useveze-ke laphana-ke ingxabano-ke ekhona-ke laphana-ke ku-MK-ke lapha, kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina-ke ukuthi-ke weziwa ngami phela nje into nje ngizodlala-ke ividiyo-ke yakhe uzwele wena-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke. Mina-ke sengicela khona ukuthi-ke masizwile-ke le video leyo ungene ema-comment section fushe uvo lakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke msicindezela ibhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje silobe siy'faka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Greeting fellow South African, greetings fellow South African. Sunday namhlanje, Sunday the 8th of September 2024. Comrade, I'd like to respond to the event that was taking place on the two events that were taking place on this weekend. The only thing we're gonna say is that to request leadership kaMnqobi Msezana, uAndile Mngxitama, Comrade Luntu Maxekwana, uSilindile Seme, laba bebe-organize event yaselembeni. The event was unsuccessful. The event was unsuccessful. So as members, we call upon them, to all of them, National Assembly members and Mnqobi Msezana and Andile Mngxitama, to resign from the National Assembly with immediate effect. And also the provincial legislature members, Luntu Maxekwana and Usilindile Seme, they must also resign with immediate effect, because what was stated yesterday, they do not represent any young people of the province of KwaZulu-Natal, or either in South Africa or in the MK. You cannot fail to organize event in a less than 150-seater space, and then you are calling yourself a member and a member of parliament, honorable members in parliament. You are not representing any youth of this country. You are not representing the youth league. You are representing your masters, because you are becoming puppet where you are serving. We are the youth of this country and members of the MK Youth League. We are calling you to resign with immediate effect. You failed us. You put the brand of the MK Youth League into shame. We're not going to tolerate further to destroy and divide our movement. We call you to resign with immediate effect. We have no fear, we have no favor. What Mnqobi Msezana, it's not the first time you're failing us as a youth league. In Orlando Stadium, you're written on the program to address the masses in the Orlando Stadium. But when the MC has called upon them to speak on behalf of the youth league, you are nowhere to be found, because you wanted to put the youth league into shame. And again, you are doing the same thing. You mobilize the event, you are only putting posters that you are calling the event. And then people are not going to follow the posters. If you are a politician, you must mobilize the people. And we want to congratulate to ERCT Yaselembeni to distance themselves on what we are planning under their region. And they left you and go to attend the event at eThekwini. We only have one youth league in this country, and you must stay away from the youth league and go back when Mnqobi Msezana and do your forex marketing and digital marketing. Stay away from politics. You failed us dismally. I thank you.